Morning, welcome to Wayne Walks, and today we're in Portsmouth, but we're not staying here. We're getting on that and going to the Isle of Wight. That's us on the ferry. It's a bit busy, so I won't give you the full tour. I'm not Steve Marsh, but I'll show you some of the trip. So that's us on the Isle of Wight. We're off the ferry in Ryde, and I think it's going to be a warm one today. And there's the hovercrafts. I can't believe nobody told me there was hovercrafts. I'd love to have a go at one of those. Okay, if you saw my St Ives video, you'll have seen the bus station with the best view in the world. But the view from this train station isn't bad either. Okay, so that's us in Sandown. Just leaving the station, we're going to walk towards the sea. I think Sandown is more your kind of seaside resort type place rather than Ryde, where we just came from, which is more sort of town type town. Well, I found the sea, can't really miss it. Okay, this looks lush. Nice beach, nice sea, cliffs, sun, too much sun. Take a walk up this way, and then we kind of turn our heel and walk back down, because I've seen a pier over there. I do want to look at the pier. Man, what a lush day. It's like being on holiday. After the week I've had in work, I could do with it. Okay, so there's the pier I saw. We'll take a walk down there later. This is Sandown. Oh yeah, that's the house I want. Or on the beach. Didn't Queen Victoria have a holiday home on the Isle of Wight? Pretty sure she did. Don't think it's here, but Osborne House, I think. So yeah, good enough for her, good enough for me. End of the line, I think. I don't think there's much more up this way, so I think we'll turn back, head back into Sandown and see what's going on there. I think that's Shanklin over there, the next town along. I was going to go back up and get a train to it, but I think it'd be just as easy and nicer to walk, really. There's the channels about walking. Train seems a bit of a cheat. We'll kind of go back the way we came, but we'll go on the road rather than the beach, just easier to walk on. Not sure if there's anything on the road, but we'll see. It looks to be a bit of a high street, so I think I'll take a walk up here rather than go straight back down to the beach. Looks to be a bit of everything on the street. What I'm really after is a souvenir shop. I think I need a fridge magnet. Ah, cool, found a way back down to the beach, and we're right by the pier. Best way I know to cool down. Bit windy, need to keep hold of my hat. yeah, that was Sandown Pier, and I think the plan now is to walk this way. I hope this is the right way for Shanklin. Okay, that's good enough for me. We're on the right path. I like this bit. There's nothing to it, just like a path through beach huts and stuff. It's really nice. You just get the feeling it hasn't been like touched for decades. It's exactly the same. I come here in the 70s and it would have looked exactly the same. Same huts, everything. But yeah, same as Sandown itself. Just seems a bit like proper old school seaside, you know? Yeah, really nice place. I like this. I think this is us just coming to Shanklin now. Okay, so this is Shanklin. It's even more old school than Sandown. Really nice. Okay, this place looks like a fridge magnet place. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, maybe not. It's just a bit generic. They're the kind of ones you can get anywhere with just any old name printed on it, you know? I overthink this stuff. There's a sign there for Old Village. Let's see what that's about. Oh cool, this must be the Old Village then. It's just like a totally different vibe to the seafront. Oh my god, look at this. Check all these like thatched roofs out. There's more in there. Wow, it really is old. I think I need to check one of these bars out. Only because I need to use the facilities, obviously. Man, it's so hot today. It's nice down on the coast, you get a bit of a breeze, but when you come inland a bit, yeah, the sun really gets you. I checked the BBC and they reckon 20 degrees, but I'm here and they're not. It's warmer than 20 degrees. I'll cool down with this. Then we'll take another look around and then get a train back to Ryde. Cheers. Well, a nice place to have a pint. And I was just talking to Graham and Keith, who are very interested in the channel, and I think they're going to subscribe. So if you're watching, cheers guys, nice one. Oh, my fridge magnet. So I think the station is down this way. I found Shanklin station, which is good. 20 minutes over to Ryde again, which is good. Now we'll have a chance to have a little bit of a look around Ryde because we missed it this morning. So that's us back in Ryde. Reckoning about an hour a kill before we need to get back for the ferry, so let's take a walk on the coast. I should have come this way earlier. It's a really nice looking beach this way as well. It's a big old beach, isn't it? Okay, I think I'm going to end it there and head back towards the ferry port. Got to get a ferry back to Portsmouth and then a train home. It's going to be a long night. So yeah, I didn't have much of a plan for this one. I just happened to be in the area and I thought, yeah, let's get a ferry across to the Isle of Wight and just take the day as it comes. But yeah, I've enjoyed it all really. Sandown is great, and Shanklin and Ryde itself. But again, as with all these places, I spent a day here and think, yeah, I need to come back for a week and do it properly. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you very much for coming with me. I'm now heading back that way to Portsmouth. And yeah, thank you very much again, and I will see you on the next one.